Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button because we've got a ton of amazing content to help you build and grow that cleaning business. Today we're diving into a topic that can seriously boost your business's success: customer retention. Let's talk about why keeping your current clients happy is much easier and cheaper than constantly finding new ones. It's way more affordable to get repeat purchases from the customers that you already have rather than always chasing new ones. Returning customers spend more, buy more often, and they're more likely to tell their friends and families about your cleaning business. If you're ready to learn how to measure customer retention, why it's super important, and some strategies to keep those customers coming back, then stick around for the entire video. First off, what is customer retention? It's all about your ability to keep your customers coming back for more, which increases the lifetime value of each client. The goal is to create lasting relationships with your current customers, helping them achieve their cleaning goals with your services. One important thing to remember is that customer retention starts with the experience. From their first interaction with your business, whether that's your website, your social media, or the way that you answer the phone, they should feel as though they are in good hands. An easy strategy that you can start with is a loyalty program. It rewards your repeat customers, encouraging them to keep using your service. Another simple tactic is offering exclusive discounts to repeat customers or providing a next booking discount after a service. Customer retention versus acquisition. Now let's compare retention with acquisition. Customer acquisition is about getting new clients, while retention is about keeping those that you've already got. Both are key to growing your cleaning business, but retention is where the real savings are. If it costs $50 to acquire a new client, it might only cost $10 to keep an existing one happy. That's why focusing on customer retention is a smart move for any business. Happy returning customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and, of course, refer you to others, helping with acquisition indirectly. Why is customer retention so important? Let's break down why customer retention matters so much. There are 4 big reasons: affordability, return on investment, loyalty, and referrals. First, it's more affordable. Keeping your current customers is 5 to 25 times cheaper than finding any new ones. Loyal customers spend more. They know the value of your service and they trust you, so they're more willing to pay a premium or buy additional services like add-ons and upgrades. Satisfied customers will refer you to others, bringing in new clients at no extra cost. You can even encourage this by offering referral programs like $25 gift cards or $25 off your next cleaning for every client that you refer. Retention creates long-term stability in your business. The more customers you retain, the more predictable your income becomes, allowing you to plan for the growth. When to focus on retention. So when should you really start focusing on customer retention? It depends on where you're at in your business. If you're just starting out, your main focus will be on getting new clients and building your reputation. But once you've got a solid base of customers, you'll want to shift some of that energy into keeping them happy and engaged. A good rule of thumb is to spend 70% of your time on acquiring new clients and 30% of your time retaining the ones that you already have. Once you're more established, you'll want to shift that balance to a 50-50 split between acquisition and retention. How to boost customer retention. Now let's get into some actionable strategies to boost customer retention within your cleaning business. Number 1, improve customer support. Make sure your support is strong before, during, and after the sale. Whether it's resolving complaints quickly or answering questions thoroughly, great customer service will keep your clients coming back. Offering multiple ways to communicate, Phone, text, email, chat, this can all make a really big difference. Follow up after service. Don't forget to follow up after each cleaning service. A simple thank you for your business email or a phone call shows that you care. You can also ask for feedback, which shows that you value their opinion. Offer special deals or discounts. Consider offering a special discount to returning customers. It could be 10% off their next clean or a free add-on service like fridge cleaning or window cleaning. These little extras can go a long way in making them feel appreciated. We actually also buy some of our clients like little gifts during the holidays, like a soap, a dish sponge. Number 4, handwritten notes and thank you cards. In our digital world, sending a written thank you note to your top customers can make a lasting impact. It's a simple way to stand out and show personal appreciation. Number 5, loyalty programs. Offering a loyalty program can encourage clients to book more frequently. For example, after 10 cleans, they get a free add-on service. Or you can create point system where every dollar spent earns them rewards. Number 6, email marketing. Keep your customers engaged with regular email newsletters. Share cleaning tips, behind-the-scene updates, and exclusive offers. A monthly newsletter is a great way to stay top of mind without overwhelming your customers. How to measure customer retention. Now let's talk about how to measure if your retention strategies are actually working. There are 2 main metrics that you should track: returning customer rate and average order value. Your returning customer rate shows how many clients are coming back for more services, while the average order value helps you understand how much they're spending each time. If you're using a platform like Shopify or CRM, these metrics are easy to find. Simply track the number of repeat bookings over a certain period. Don't forget about customer lifetime value. This is the total amount a customer will spend with your business during the time with you. Increasing your customer CLV is a great sign that your retention strategies are paying off. And that is a wrap, cleaning family. I hope that these tips help you boost your customer retention and grow your cleaning business. Remember, it's much easier and much cheaper to keep the customers that you already have. So make sure you're focusing on them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you guys are looking for one-on-one mentoring with myself or any online courses or marketing services that we provide, such as logo design, web design, pamphlet design, and much, much more, please be sure to head over to my full website, www.cleaningbusinessmentor.com. Until next time, cleaning family.